How to save in dollar using Piggyvest Smart Target. The first step is to fund your flex dollar. How do you do that? You click on savings, you click on flex dollar, then you proceed by clicking on fund flex dollar. Then this will bring you to select a method you want to use. You can either use your flex naira wallet balance or you deposit directly from your USD account. If you have one domiciled in Nigeria here, you can use it. So I'll be using my flex naira wallet balance, for example. So you will now input the amount of dollar you want to buy. So after doing that, you will now create your flex dollar. So your flex dollar will be funded with the amount of dollar you just purchased. So after this, all you have to do is to go back. You go back to to savings. Then you click on target savings. Since you have already created a flex dollar and you have money there, you click on the plus sign to create a personal target. So when you click on create personal target, you'll be able to select between the flex dollar and flex naira. So you click on the flex dollar, then you'll be able to save in dollars. So for example, I'll be using this. You input the name of your personal target. I'll be using let's say car. I want to buy a car. The category should also be car. Then you click on car. But here you can see that I'm having naira here because I didn't fund my wallet with dollar. But since you have already funded your wallet, your flex dollar, you've already funded it with dollar, you'll be able to select from here the flex dollar instead of flex naira. So you'll be able to save in dollars. So you now select your preferred days, probably daily, weekly, monthly, that you want to save. The intervals, you select it, then you create your personal target. That is it. Thank you.